Famous pastry chef trick. You'll want to make it only this way. In a bowl, let's start by cracking 3 eggs. Next, add a cup of sugar. Add half a cup of oil, half a cup of water. And let's mix all of this very well. Next, add 2 cups of flour and mix gradually. 1 tablespoon of baking powder, let's mix again. Then transfer all this batter to our pan. Next, set the pan aside and in a pot add condensed milk. Now let's sift about half a cup of 50% cocoa powder. Add a small box of heavy cream. Also add 100 grams of semi-sweet chocolate. Let's mix until our brigadeiro starts to thicken. And this is the perfect consistency. Now let's transfer everything to a container. After that, cover with plastic wrap and let cool naturally. Once it's completely cold, let's start making our brigadeiro balls. Just roll them in your hands, then coat them in chocolate sprinkles. After coating in sprinkles, repeat with the rest and add to our batter. Now just bake at 180 degrees for 40 minutes. After this time, unmold onto a plate, slice and enjoy. Look everyone, how incredible this cake turns out. Make it at home and I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you all enjoyed it. Big hugs to you. See you next time and thanks.